Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I am going to start the last chapter of the second term, metals and non-metals. So, before the chapter, I want to say your exam will start from 15 November. So, it is not possible to continue the workbook. So, you will just follow the MCQ type of question from the workbook. So, let's start the discussion. First, metals and non-metals, introduction and occurrence. Metals and non-metals, a brief history. 14th century BC reveals presence of gold put to use by the early Egyptians. 3500 BC work shows copper and tin articles of ancient civilization. And the 2000 BC of study shows the use of iron by the Asian and the later around 900 to 500 BC in China. So, among three lines, there is no need to learn anything. Just leave it. Next, metallurgy. Technology and the production of metals in the pure form from their ores is called metallurgy. This line is very important. So what is metallurgy? Metallurgy is the technology by the production of metals from their pure form to their ores is called metallurgy. सो ओर से हम लोग जो प्योर फॉर्म में मेटल को ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, दिस टोटल टेक्नोलॉजी एंड द प्रोसेस इज नोन एज मेटलर्जी. नेक्स्ट, मेटल्स ऑकरेंस. फ्री और नेटिव स्टेट. metals may occur in the free or native state like gold, silver, platinum. Combined state, in the combined state as the compounds along with the earthly impurities. I mean, basically, metals are occurred in the form of ore. Minerals, compounds of various metals found in the nature along with earthly impurities. Ores, naturally occurring minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably and easily. These are also known as ores. So, you will learn the definition of ores. Ores हम किसको बोलेंगे? Naturally occurring minerals from which metal can be excreted. So, naturally occurring minerals से हम लोग जो particular metal को extract कर रहे हैं, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे ore by the profitable and easy process. Next, some common ores. Metal, zinc. Common name, zinc blende. Chemical name, zinc sulfide. Formula, ZnS. Next, aluminium. Common name, bauxite. Chemical name, hydrated aluminum oxide. And formula, Al2O3 2H2O. Next, iron, hematite. Iron 3 oxide. That is the chemical name. And the formula is Fe2O3. Metals and non-metals, physical properties. Terms involved in physical properties of metals. Terms, luster. Ability of metal to shows brightness on the reflecting of light. So basically, metal shows brightness or glaziness on reflecting of light. Next, hardness. Resist indentation by an external force. So if we apply any external force on metal, it actually resists indentation of breakness. मतलब ऐसे easily हम लोग उसको तोड़ नहीं सकते. Next, malleability. Be beaten into thin sheet. So we can turn the metal into thin sheet. This characteristic is also known as malleability of metal. Next, ductility. Be drawn into thin wires. तो नॉर्मली हम लोग मेटल को बीट करने के बाद thin sheet में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. उस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को हम लोग बोलेंगे malleability. as well as when the metal turn into thin wires. This characteristic is also known as ductility. So ये दो जो characteristics है इसका definition तुम लोगों को याद करना है. So what is malleability? It is the characteristic of metal by which metal turn into thin sheet. Whereas metal turn into thin wires, it is also known as ductility. Next, tensile strength. Withstand longitudinal pull when in wire form. So normally metal को जब हम लोग ऐसे longitudinal form में झुला के रखेंगे, it produce tensile strength. Next, sonority. Produce a resonant sound. Resonant sound when struck. Normally metal को अगर हम लोग टच करेंगे, it produce a resonant sound when it is struck. Conductivity. Conduct heat and electricity transmitted through a unit area of metal or unit time. So normally metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. Next, differences in physical properties of metals and non-metals. This portion is very important. State solids at room temperature, exception mercury. So you will learn the exception very carefully. Next, non-metals, liquids, gases और brittle solid. Brittle solid मतलब semi solids, उसको हम लोग ऐसे दबा के तोड़ सकते हैं. These are brittle solids. Weak solids. Next, luster. Metals are good lustrous. I mean, it shows brightness. Non-metals are non-lustrous. Malleability. Metals are malleable. Exception, zinc. Non-metals are non-malleable. Exception, carbon fiber. So, exception बहुत अच्छे से याद रखना. बार बार बोल रहे हैं. Student be careful about the exception. क्योंकि question will be MCQ type. So, हम ऐसे ही कोई exception से question ले सकते हैं. Next, ductility. Metals are ductile. Exception, zinc and mercury. Whereas non-metals are non-ductile. Exception, carbon fiber. Next, tensile strength. Metals are high tensile strength. Exception, zinc and mercury. Whereas non-metals are low tensile strength. Exception, carbon fiber. Next, sonority. Metals are good sonorous. Sonorous means when we stuck with anything, metal produce sound. That's why metals are good sonorous. And non-metals are not sonorous. Conduction of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, whereas the non-metals are non or poor conductors of heat and electricity. Corrosion, metaling or melting and boiling point. Corrosive. Non-metals are non-corrosive. Melting and boiling point. Metals are high melting point and boiling point. And the non-metals are low melting and boiling point. Exception, sodium, potassium, mercury, gold density. Whereas the exception in case of non-metal, carbon, silicon, low density. Next, density. Metals are high density. Exception, sodium, potassium and calcium. In case of non-metal, it shows low density. Exception, graphite. So student, तुम लोग ये बॉक्स को बहुत अच्छे से याद करना क्योंकि यहाँ से बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आएगा. So for today, up to this portion,